Okay, set notation, subsets, and proper sets. This is something that we have discussed it in the last lesson. For example, here we have the set A, which contains 1, 3, and 5. Here is the representation. You can also use the number line, la recta numérica, and you mark only the elements, for example, like this. So here we have number 1, number 3, and number 5. Okay, you can use both representations or ways of representations to bear in mind the numbers that are elements. Okay, so a subset is defined as a set that contains the same elements as the set A. Okay, for example, B, it's a subset of A. Why? Because the elements 1 and 5 are also elements of set A. Okay, como el número 1 y el número 5 pertenecen al conjunto A, yo puedo marcarlo si quiero y decir, bueno, yo dentro de este conjunto voy a marcar un subconjunto que se va a llamar B. ¿Sí? Este sería el conjunto A. Great. So, the set C, which is 1, 3, and 5, it is also a subset of A, but it is not a proper subset. This is another definition, and another important definition. Here it says a proper subset of a set A, for example this, is a subset of A that is not equal to A. In this case, as they share the same elements, this is not a proper subset. It means that C equals than A. Okay? In other words, if B is a proper subset of A, then all the elements of B are in A, but A contains at least one element that is not in B. Vamos a traducirlo. B, en este caso, sí es un proper subset. ¿Por qué? Porque todos los elementos de B están contenidos en A, porque 1 y 5 están contenidos en A, pero A, el conjunto, en este caso que tiene más elementos que B, tiene por lo menos un elemento que no está en B, ¿sí? Que en este caso sería el número 3. ¿Me explico? Si quieren voy a escribir otro subset que lo voy a llamar con la letra E. And I'm going to say that this is a set that contains only one element, which is number 1. Okay? In this case, I'm going to use this. This is another set. And in this case, I can write that this is a subset, a proper subset, because all the elements of B, in this case of E, are in A, but A contains at least, en este caso contiene 2 elementos más que no están en el conjunto E. Okay? That's the difference between a subset and a proper subset. Okay, that's all.